Hey guys, this is On The Action, and today I will be unboxing the Jaybird X3's. So I recently picked these up from Best Buy, and I know that this color is exclusive to them. However, they do come in black and also a white color, I believe, and that's available everywhere. So these are just some of its features. And the reason why you get these are because of these wingtips that they come up with. So right here, and what those do is it pretty much secures in your ear, and then you can run and do all kinds of exercises with them. They come with an 8-hour of playtime of battery. I mean, nowadays that's actually not that good. I know some headphones come with 10 hours and more. They are sweat-proof and water resistant. That's important when you're going to be taking these on a run. And also, I believe one of the most important features of these headphones is the custom sound. So you can download the Jaybird app on your phone, and then you can tweak and customize the actual sound output of these headphones. So if you like bass, you can turn it more bass heavy, or if you like treble or mids or highs, you can do whatever you want with them. So that makes it really versatile headphones, and I'll find out. So this is the box right here. Okay, let's open it up. So they have this film on them. Let me just see if I can. Perfect. Okay, there you go. It is a pretty nice box, just from the first look of it. I mean, it's pretty small, but let's pop these out right here. This kind of reminds me of like an Beats unboxing with the flap too. So there you go, power your passion. These are the headphones, and they actually look just a bit, sorry, when I say headphones, I really mean in-ear-buds. I know that's sometimes annoying to hear. So let me take these out. They actually do look a bit larger than I anticipated. But from all the reviews that I saw, is that they are really comfortable. So that's pretty much them. Just pull this out. Oh, and check that out. Sad face. Nice. Okay, so these are the headphones themselves. They do look really nice in this nice gray color, or it's even silver. Don't really know what to call this. Platinum. So there's this headphone remote control. So this cable is one of those like thin type cables, and it is very grippy. So for example, like if you're working out, these will stay onto your neck or onto your clothes, and it'll grab quite well. However, the bad thing with all these grippy cables is that when you do run and these aren't attached to your head very well, so they're loose, they actually do make a lot of noise when this is just bouncing up and down on your skin. So yeah, these wingtips look really cool. And you could see right here that these are actually slightly transparent. Okay, so what else do you get? You get the quick start guide. Won't go into detail. This is the My Sound app that I was talking about. And it does come with a separate charging cradle. So this is the one thing that a lot of people complain about, and I think Jaybird did this on purpose. So then once you buy one pair, you're kind of more influenced to buy another pair because you have these charging cables lying around. So these are the different types of fits you can play around with. Anyways, okay, let's put that there. Believe this is probably like the warranty. Yeah. Does come with a sticker Sweet. I'll put that onto my laptop probably. And the carrying pouch. So, in order to open it, I believe you just squeeze. Yep. And then, let's see all the stuff that it comes with. I'll show it to you guys one by one. So this case is actually pretty nice because once you open it, it auto closes. So this is the charging cable that I was talking about. There you go. And I believe it just clips on. So you just line up all four. There you go. But yeah, I could see how this can be a nuisance if you forget to bring this everywhere you go. Yeah. So here are all the accessories that the Jaybirds come with. So you can see they come with a lot of earbuds. Now these guys are kind of like that memory foam material. So if I squeeze them right here, they kind of just mold to your ears. However, I don't know how nice they're gonna be when you're actually working out and sweating. I feel like this foam material is pretty sweat absorbent, so we'll take a look. But I bet they are super comfortable. Now we have the standard silicone earbuds. So those are that's the large size, that's the small size. And then on the actual headphones themselves, they'll probably come with a medium size. And same goes for the wingtips. So then coming around, we got the charging cable. And here is just a clip. And also I believe these are for at the back if you really want to secure the headphones. So to your head, you kind of just clip this on and then you kind of just tighten it. So then it's not loose. And then the cable stays very planted to your head. And then you can do all kinds of activities. And then the last but not least, we got those wingtips. I'm not really sure what they're called. I'm just calling them wingtips. But yeah, I got the large size and then the small size. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the possible review. Now I did also want to mention the reason why I got these over the X4s, because I know that this is the last year's model. And the main reason why I got these over the X4s is because I actually watched Marques Brownlee's video and he mentioned that these don't sound very different than the X4s. However, the X4s have a higher waterproof rating. So that's the main reason why you get them, is because the X4s are waterproof rated and they may be a bit more durable. However, I didn't really care for that much, to be honest, because I don't plan on taking these, you know, in the water, anywhere near the water. It's just mainly for working out or taking a run or going for a bike ride. So that's the reason why I got these. And because I got them, I think the price difference between the X4s and the X3s was like $60. So I saved about 60 bucks. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching and stay tuned to the next video.